How to fix the issue cannot get the mail? The mail server Gmail is not responding here on iPhone and iPad in iOS 18. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection, whether you have stable internet connection or not. Launch your settings. Navigate to the option of Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network. Give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Then you can head back. Navigate to the option of cellular. Then you can switch between networks, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Likewise, click on the option of General. Head over to the option VPN and Device Management. Make sure you are not connected to any VPN. Then you can head back. Now scroll down. At the very bottom you'll see the option of Apps. Click on that. Here you're gonna find the list of apps. Find the app Mail. Open it. Click on the option Mail Accounts. Click on Gmail. Make sure you have enabled for the option of Mail. If you have already enabled it, disable it. Now give a fresh restart to your device, or you can force restart your phone. For that, quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. After you force restart your device, come to this page and enable for the option of Mail. If this solution doesn't work for you, what you have to do is delete this account and again sign in. So click on Delete Account. Click on Delete Account. After you delete the account, click on Add Account. Now select the option of your choice. Then provide your account's credentials. So this is how you can easily fix this issue. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.